Hello everyone, my name is Pooja. Today's date is 27 June. Today's video topic name is constructor in a Java. Constructor is in a block of code. Constructor is in a special type of method which we have to initialize or which we have to call when an object is created. We have to create the object using new keyword like for example demo d is equal to new demo parenthesis and semicolon. When we have to create the object using new keyword, at least one constructor will be called. When we have to call the constructor, the memory is allocated to the object in the memory area. Constructor is a special type of method, but it does not contain any return type. We can declare a constructor by using access modifier like public, protected, private, default. We cannot use the non-primitive data type to declare the constructor like static, native, final, abstract, synchronize, etc. All these keywords are not used to define the constructor. Constructor name must be same name as a class name. Constructor is called when an object is called. There is a two type of constructor, default constructor and parameterized constructor. So first is a default constructor. Default constructor does not contains any parameters. When we does not define any constructor in the class, then compiler by default create the default constructor for the class. uh, Example of the default constructor is there is a class demo, so constructor is demo parenthesis curly bracket, open curly bracket and close curly bracket. This is the default constructor of demo class. Default constructor is used to assign the default value of the object are like 0 and null. All two These two default values will be provide the default constructor for the object. Next is a parameterized constructor. Parameterized constructor contains the number of parameters. Parameterized constructor, the main purpose of the parameterized constructor is to assign the user wanted or user defined value of the instance variable of the different object. For example, class demo, and the parameterized constructor is demo in a parenthesis int roll number comma a string name and open curly bracket. In that, this dot roll number is equal to roll number, this dot name is equal to name, and close curly bracket. So using this, we have to assign the user wanted value to the instance variable using the constructor, using the parameterized constructor. Let's see the difference between constructor and method. Constructor name is same name as the class name. Method does not contain the same name as the class name. Constructor is called or invoked when the object is initialized. Method is invoked when we have to explicitly called it. Constructor does not contains any return type. Method contains the return type.